Hello and welcome. This is Mustafa Al-Amin. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you buy your train tickets from online. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to install an app. For that, you need to go to your Play Store app and type RAINSHEBA, Sheba, in the search bar, and you can see we have got the app. You can see it's already been installed on my phone, so you just need to install it and click open. After opening it, a page like this will appear. Let me take you to the bottom of this page, and here you can see option register. Let's click on it. Now you have to fill up this form and create an account. So first you have to give your full name, then your email, you have to put your mobile number, again you have to rewrite your mobile number, and you have to set a password here. Again you have to give your password. Here you can use any of your number. You can use your birth certificate number or NID number. Let's say I'm giving my NID number. Here you can give your current address or permanent address, and lastly you have to put your postal code here. After completing all of this, let's click register. A 6-digit OTP will be sent to your given number. You have to put your OTP numbers and your personal account will be created. Here you can see this is my personal account. Let me take you to the next section. How can you buy tickets? Let's click on buy tickets, and you can see 4 options. Firstly, you have to select your station from where you want to depart. Let's say as I'm in Rajshahi, I'm selecting it Rajshahi. Next, select station. You have to select where you want to go. Like I'm selecting it Shordi. Then you have to select your class. If you want to travel with AC, you can select Snigdha, or if you are happy with non-AC, you can select S chair. So I'm selecting it Snigdha. And lastly, you have to mark the date you want to travel. Let's say you will travel on 20th September. After completing all of this, let's click search trains. Here you can see Shagurdari Express, and you can see the departure time of this train, 6:40 a.m. Here you can also see that there are 3 seats available, so you have to buy ticket as soon as possible. And clicking here, you can select your suitable seating position. Here you can see, let's scroll it down, 3 seats are available, so you can select this. You can select single or multiple, so I'm selecting single, and then just click continue purchase and proceed. Now you have to complete your payment within 15 minutes, otherwise your seat will be cancelled. You can complete your payment via bKash or Nagad or MasterCard or Visa, as you can see. Let's say you want to make payment with your bKash account, then click bKash, proceed to payment. Here a display like this will appear, and now you have to put your activate bKash number and then pin code. As soon as you will make it, a PDF of your ticket will be sent to your email. One thing you have to make sure that there must be sufficient funds in the account from which you want to make payment. So guys, this is how you can buy your online train ticket. Hope all of you will like this video, and if you got any question or any confusion, please let me know in the comment box. Goodbye.